Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechSpace. Today I'll be taking you through installing MongoDB in your Windows laptop. So let's get started. Go to your browser, Chrome, and then or whatever browser that you have. Then search mongodb.com, press enter. Wait for it to finish loading. And then after that, click this. You will basically sign in if you don't have an account. So click these three dashes and go to products. After clicking on products, come here and click community edition till it finishes loading. Then after that, you can scroll down here, download free, press enter. Okay, so you will see this welcome screen, try MongoDB community edition. So go to here, click here MongoDB community server, or it will directly lead you here, and then it will automatically select the current version for the installer, and if it is Windows, then click download. After that, close the window. Basically wait for it to finish downloading. Go to the downloads and then click. After it has finished installing, double click the installer, MSI installer. After the welcome wizard, click next. So after installing that, you'll come back. You'll basically go through the steps in the wizard, and after going through them, you'll come back to the folder where you have installed the MongoDB. Then go to the local disk, that is where it has been installed. Go to program files, then scroll down until you find MongoDB, this one. Double click it, and then double click the server, then double click the version that has been installed, then double click the bin. So basically we want to copy the path so that we can add it to the command prompt. So press Ctrl C to copy it, then close, then come here and search environment variables. You click here, edit the system environment variables, click that one. It will open your dialog box. Click here environment variables, then come here and double click the path, and then in the path you'll basically click edit, and you'll add the path that you have copied from the program files. So basically mine is this one. Okay, so after that you click OK, you click OK, you click OK. After that, you have now successfully installed MongoDB, and you can run it on the command prompt. So we are not yet finished. We will install a shell now called MongoDB shell, or nowadays it's called Mongosh. So basically come to the browser, okay, go to mongodb.com. We want to download the installer, let it finish, then the three dashes. Basically go through what we went through before, community edition, let it finish. This is what happens when you have a shitty Wi-Fi. Then come here, the top, don't know why this is misbehaving, click download free, let it finish. So come here to the tools. So it is MongoDB community server, so come here to the tools, click it. So inside the tools, go to MongoDB shell, then scroll down to MongoDB shell download. which is basically Mongoose. The version will be updated according to your system, and then current version, that is. Then you click download. So basically I had it downloaded, and you'll go through installing it the same way you are done with MongoDB. So it is a zip. So you say extract to, then you specify the path. So the path will be basically the same path that you installed MongoDB. So you come to local disk, then you'll come to program files, then you'll come to MongoDB, and basically you'll install it there. You'll click OK. I already have mine installed there, Mongoose, and with the version. Then you'll click OK. After that, after doing all that, then you'll come back to the folder, come back to the local disk where Mongoose has been installed. Go to the program files, then go to the center this, then go to MongoDB, then go to Mongoose, this one, which has been installed. Then click on bin. You want to add this to the environment variables so that you can be able to run in the command prompt. Then copy this path. Basically we'll just repeat the same thing we have done before when adding the path variables to the environment variables. Here, click here for the MongoDB, that is. Then click on environment variables, then click on path, then you click on edit, and then you'll click on new, and then on new you paste the path, but I already have it, so you paste it and you press OK for all of them. And then yeah, you've already successfully installed MongoDB and Mongoose, the MongoDB shell on your computer. So to confirm that it is working, go to the command prompt. Basically, don't know why my laptop is misbehaving. Command, go to the command prompt. Like seriously, why is this thing misbehaving? Okay, so in order to run this, you'll go inside the folder that you have the MongoDB. So it is basically this one. So you'll go back. This is the folder path. Click inside it, then click the path, Control C, copy it, and then paste it in the command prompt. So right before here, you type in cd so that you can go inside this file path, then press enter. Now you're inside the path. Then in order to confirm that MongoDB is working, type MongoD version -- version, exactly as I have typed it. Type that and then press enter. So basically it will tell you the version and the build info that confirms that it is working. And in order to confirm that the MongoDB shell is working, type in mongoose, and then press OK. Okay, so it is definitely working. You can see it is connecting to this MongoDB, this one, which its address is this one right here, and this address is the local address for the local the local address machine. Okay, so it is basically this one. So yeah, it is successfully connected. Don't worry about this. This is doesn't basically have an effect unless you want for security purposes. You can, but if just for usage, for normal usage, you can just leave it at that. So that's it, guys. You have successfully installed MongoDB on your laptop, and you can actually now create databases and create your data. Let's see if it's working. Show DBS, show databases. Okay, so you can see we already have some databases. These are the local databases found inside the laptop, the admin, the config, the local. This one I created. Yeah, and that's it. That shows that your MongoDB is working. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share so that I can continue making these videos, helping you out solve some daily tech problems. So catch you guys in the next video.